Welcome, dear Louisians and friends of the University of St. Louis Tuguegarao. We're happy to usher in another school year 22-2023. During this year, and as we adjust to the new normal, the transition to the face-to-face, we shall be adopting what we call a learning modality under one capsule, USL EI Flex. USL, E would mean expanded, enhanced. iFlex, the I in iFlex is inclusive. We ensure that education will still be affordable, accessible to everyone regardless of his or her characteristics. And flex to mean we will still be flexible in ensuring that education from St. Louis will really be readily available to anyone. And so I wish all Louisians the best for this school year as we work still for quality towards mission and excellence. So to everyone and to friends of USL, again, a bright future is ahead of us. Thank you and a pleasant day, everyone.